Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 630-324-6666.
Hi, this is Matt with Learn About Law. Today we're going to discuss a very important issue that is often overlooked, the rights of passengers during a traffic stop, specifically in cases of DUI. Now, as a general rule, passengers are not held responsible for a DUI. But what happens if you're a passenger in a car that's been pulled over for a DUI? What are your rights in such a situation? Firstly, let's start with the question of whether Illinois requires passengers to show ID during a traffic stop. In Illinois, if an officer has no reason or probable cause to ask you for your identification regarding the ongoing investigation, you are not required to produce it. Simple, right? But what if you are wondering whether passengers can be held liable for drunk drivers? Well, the answer is no. Under Illinois DUI laws, only the person operating the vehicle under the influence is responsible. No matter your age, passengers cannot be held responsible for a DUI, regardless of whether they're in the front or back seat. Now, there are some unique cases in which a passenger may receive consequences at a traffic stop but are not charged with a DUI. For example, it is illegal in Illinois to have an open container of alcohol or marijuana in the car, even if the driver is not drunk or intoxicated. Penalties for illegal transportation of alcohol in Illinois are a maximum fine of $1,000 and points assigned for violation on a driver's record. For drivers under 21 and second-time offenders, revocation and mandatory suspension of driver's privileges are possible. However, there are some instances where determining responsibility may become tricky, such as an officer suspecting that a passenger switched seats with the drunk driver, or the officer suspecting you or other passengers gave the driver alcohol. In these instances, it is crucial to seek legal assistance, as it is often your story versus the officer's version of events versus the version of events given by witnesses. Now let's move on to passenger rights during a traffic stop. Drivers and passengers share the same rights when stopped by the police for a traffic violation. Passengers have the right to remain silent, the right to remain free of unreasonable searches, the right to withhold consent to a search, the right to challenge the constitutionality of the stop, the right to an attorney if they are being charged with a crime, and the right to challenge the reasonableness of the search. It is also important to note that an officer can order the driver and passenger out of the vehicle at any time. A cursory protection search is used to protect officers' safety. The officer would be left vulnerable to the passenger if they remained in the vehicle during the search. As mentioned above, an officer may ask for the personal identification of a passenger, but they are not required to provide proof unless there is probable reason for the officer to need that information related to the ongoing investigation. Now let's discuss the complexities of a DUI with a child passenger in Illinois. Anyone facing charges of DUI with a child passenger in Illinois should understand the severity of the offense and seek representation from an experienced Illinois DUI attorney. A person 16 years or under is considered a child passenger. Penalties for a DUI with a child passenger are more severe than for carrying individuals above 16 years old. For a first-time offense, the offender faces a mandatory fine of $1,000, revocation of their license, and possible jail time of 6 months to 1 year. If the first offense results in bodily harm to the child, it is considered a Class 4 felony with a sentence of 1 to 3 years in prison. Fines go up from $2,500 to $25,000. A second-time offender will face a Class 2 felony charge. A second offense is when 2 DUIs with a minor in the car are issued. Thanks for watching. To learn more, check out the article linked below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments section and subscribe for more legal news daily.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Please email us, book online, or call us at 630-324-6666. We have many locations for your convenience, and we serve all of Illinois. So thanks again for watching.